Hey everyone, it's Joelle here, and today we're going to do something fun. We're going to do a little unboxing. This is the Self-Love Ritual box, the Align box, and you can find them on Instagram as well as on their website, which I will link down in the description box. But just to give you a little bit of background information, the Align box was created by Stephanie. She is the owner, CEO of the brand, the indie brand that is vegan and cruelty free called Glamonizers. She is also has a podcast called Align and Hustle, which is really awesome if you haven't listened to that before. But yeah, so she created this box, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, so I will give you, we're gonna kind of like open it. I haven't opened this. I have seen the Instagram post about it, but I'm super excited to like actually see this stuff in real life. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It came a box in a box. It had fragile stickers on it. Everything was packaged really well. The box is so cute and little. I actually, for some reason in my mind, I thought it was going to be so much bigger. And then when I opened it, I was like, this is the cutest little box ever. And it's cardboard, which is great, so it can be recycled. And then on here, you know, it says vegan, cruelty free, clean. And then on the side you have here, it says intentional self-love awaits. And then, yeah, there's nothing on the back. Sorry, I can't read backwards, so that's why. But let's go ahead and open her up. All right, let's look and see what we've got here. Okay, so first it says, thank you for, there's a little card. I'm going to read it. Thank you for choosing us to align your body and soul and bring beautiful new rituals into your life. Share your box, tag us, and share the love with us on social. And then at the bottom it says, it's so enjoyable curating a new spiritually guided and themed box every other month, aligning and intuitively connecting to what our collective needs bring me so much joy. I am forever grateful for your support and honored to be a part of your self-care rituals. So there's that, and that's from the owner. And then there's a little teeny card, and this, I believe, goes with this here, this beautiful crystal, which I don't really know much. That's one thing I would say is that there isn't, unless it's like at the bottom, there really isn't like a description as to what each thing is and what it's for. So I'm a little confused, but that's okay. This is beautiful. And I believe that we've got here, it says grounded root chakra. I am worthy and enough in this moment and every moment. I accept my mind, body, and soul. I am present and one with my reality. I am flowing with love and answering the calls of the universe. The Align box. I love that. I'm going to put that on my little makeup area. But yeah, this beautiful crystal here. And since I'm extremely ignorant as to what some of these things are, definitely check out their Instagram and their website because you will find out more information. But I don't want to let this go for some reason. I want to hold it. But I'm going to put it down for a second. This I was like so excited about is this crystal here, which again, I'm not as familiar with what it is, but I will leave all the details and information below. You know, she did send some teasers on Instagram, which led me to want to pick up the box and everything. So this is great. We have a little bundle of sage to do a cleansing. This is just, I mean, look at it. It's super cute. It smells good. So you just burn this and just kind of do your thing. Again, my ignorance is just terrible. Additionally, we have And the packaging, I mean, the products themselves are just so beautifully packaged. I mean, look at this. It's a amber colored glass bottle with a dropper. This is grounding protection oil, vegan, clean, cruelty free by Glamonizers. So I would have to look up online to see what the ingredients are of this. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells so good. I'm super excited about that. This was what I was really the most excited about, is the bath salts. This is a black lava and red algae bath salt with grounding herbs from Glamonizers. And again, it comes in this amber colored jar here. Oh my goodness, it smells like phenomenal. I don't know if you guys can see that without me spilling it all over the place, but I'm so excited to have a nice warm bath with some candles, this. And then the last thing is this little teeny spell jar, which is here. And I want to smell all the things. And the thing I like about it is it does have this little frou-frou kind of noodle things in here. Let me put these items back in the box. So there it is. So that's my Align box. Like I said, I'm going to leave details about what everything is for. The website, the Instagram, and more details there. But I did want to actually unbox this, and I apologize for my ignorance in filming this. I probably should have done my research beforehand, but as a noob in this kind of realm of self-love and natural healing, it's kind of neat, and I'm excited to see where this all goes. Let me know what you guys think. Are you interested in this type of thing? Are you interested in the Align box? Have you heard of this before? Do you take part in any natural alignment and self-healing? So I would love to know that. As always, I will post all of my social media links down in the description box. It means a lot to me if you follow me on other platforms. I am most active on Instagram, so if you do want to see daily makeup looks and such, that's where you're going to find them for the most part. I'm a little rusty when it comes to filming YouTube videos, so yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate your time, and I am going to go play with my box. So I hope you guys check it out, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.